Hi everyone, I'm Rachel and these are my user stories. I wanted to go through my process and how I got there. So I started with my responses for my survey, and I found that a lot of these people are students or a young working professional in Boulder. So that's how I started my user stories. So this first one I have is, as a student, I want a mobile app to find events so I can meet new people and have new experiences. And my other one is kind of similar, but as a student, I want to be rewarded for my efforts so I can feel appreciated and valued. And my last one is more focused towards the working professional. And as a young working professional, I want to quickly find events so I can see what's going on in the community and plan ahead. So these things, I really wanted the end user to interact with an app that connects people to a calendar or a location tab where you can see events that are near you, and then you click on each event and you can sign up for them, and then you will be able to look at what events you have upcoming and what get reminders for that event. I also would like to include a incentives program, because a lot of people like to do things when they get rewarded, or say they get free food or something like that, and they want to meet new people. These are students and young working professionals. Everyone likes to make new friends. So that's what I really wanted to include, was a feature maybe where if you sign up for this event, you get a point, and then maybe if you refer a friend, you also get a point, and then under your profile tab, you can see how many points you've accumulated, what events you have upcoming, the past events you've done, and maybe a feature to connect with the people that were also in your event. So say later on you realize that person was really cool and you want to meet up with them again. I would love to include that in my app. I haven't completely thought out how I want to do that, but I will also want to include more events than just a community cleanup, maybe a meet and greet or a pizza party, because people would be more likely to come and keep coming if there was more incentives for that. So overall, I would really like people to have a calendar, a way to get reminded, a location tab so you can see the events around you, and a way to get points and get rewarded for being there and helping the community.